Sadly, we just missed sunset. Got here that little bit too late, but at least we still got dusk to enjoy. Davo's enjoying a bit of sand between his toes again. Yeah, all in all, happy to be at Inskip Point. Are you happy to be at Inskip Point? Are you, Dave? So we've got Fraser Island just over there. Definitely wish that I was booked on the ferry to head there tomorrow, but it's not going to happen. But Inskip Point is still on point. So with our late arrival, it's been a late setup. Got the accommodation for just that suits Davo. Big Oz tent happening now. Plenty more gear in the boat for when it's a more permanent setup. We've been and collected our kindling. Got some firewood ready for a steak over the fire. And what are you having for dinner, Dave? Turkey mince? Turkey mince. Is that going to be good? And maybe a bit of mum's steak. Poor old Porter the penguin, he's been ditched in the sand. Anyway, so let's get this night happening. And it begins. Right, beautiful day today. It's time to hit the beach with Dave. Want to go to the beach, Dave? Yeah? Alright, well I was going to do it full hand style. No four-wheel drive, no tyres let down, but just had a quick squeeze and I don't think that's going to really work for me. We're going to try this again, but without embarrassing Davo by not using four-wheel drive.
Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
Rainbow Beach, Davo, you excited? This might do us for pulling up. Get the awning out if I can by myself, and lunch. So not ideal. Not exactly how I was expecting to be spending my Friday morning. So what we have here is one completely fucked awning. All the brackets up the top bent, fully cooked. We cutting it off before I leave and then attaching the bag when I get back to camp. I only set it up for Mister over here because he likes to fry himself in the sun. Managed to get it enough for him and have a look where he's standing in the sun. Nice one, Dave. Right, well that's the end of that. Chopped her off. Got bin material now. Good old Kings, pure quality. Alright, well after all that I've just checked the tide times. Probably should have done that before I come down because it's nearly high tide and this beach is unpassable at high tide. So one coffee, one ruined awning and we're out of here. Standard for me.
Under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
After our little beach trip being a failure, going for something different. Out to the point. swim? Want to go for a swim? Some poor bugger hasn't had a very good end to their Fraser trip. Definitely wish I was in that line-up to get on that barge. Cheers, Davo. Here's to me and Dave. Cheers. Get a load of him, would you? Out there frying himself sound asleep. I purposely set my chair up on this side of the car for a bit of shade. Can't get him in it. Look out, we've got someone doing the famous getting bogged at Inskip. Shovels out, max tracks are out, and he's off. Scared at the moment. The sky's growling at him as if there's a storm coming. He hates storms with a passion. So we're going for walkies. Try and make him feel better. Yeah, so thanks for that, Captain Obvious. Don't think too many cars will be driving through here. Spotted a bit of firewood over here on our walk, so must be coming back to get us. I don't think Davo's real impressed about the firewood collection. You got enough room there, mate? No chance of Shaz are getting bogged on Inskip. City in here tonight. Right, I'm having a few dilemmas here trying to find my campsite. Oh, I think I found it. Right, well no sunset again tonight because of Mother Nature. But if you ask me, Mother Nature is still turning it on. The storm sky looks amazing. Got Big Davo here crumbing himself, ready to jump on Mum's bed and fill it full as much sand as possible. Is that right, Davo? Yeah? Alright, no wussing out on my steak cook-up tonight. So I've had to do a major fire recovery this evening. Got busy chatting and let it go. The steak's finally on, and I've got all my fingers and toes crossed that it's going to be enough fire to cook it. Right, well we're kind of having a win. I get this feeling my steak's going to be a bit rarer than I'm used to, but it'll still be released by the looks. Barbecue corn to go with. Yummo. Delish. Alright, well steak was definitely way too rare for me, so guess who's got a score? Big Davo. He's in bed, but I'm sure he's going to think this is worth getting up for. Shizzle my nizzle, he says. Steak is Davo's fave.